Hey guys, this is a tip straight off the presses. You're going to love this. This is how we can get more views on our YouTube videos, and that is by dubbing them into multiple languages. Yeah, I've just seen it happen and it's amazing. We can actually, if we're doing ours in English, we can translate them into Spanish, German, all sorts of languages, and YouTube will automatically do it. So how do we set this up? Here's the thing. So let me just go into a YouTube account. Let's go into this account. Okay. Go into settings. Upload defaults. Advanced settings. Automatic dubbing. Okay. So allow automatic dubbing, and then we can manually review does for publishing. Do you know what? I think we can take that off. Let's just allow automatic dubbing. Okay, so if you want to learn more, here it will tell us all about it. Available languages. Look at this, guys. We've got so dubbing into English from all these. So if you're Tamil, Spanish, Ukrainian, Vietnamese, you can do it. German, French, Italian. I was looking for Tagalog, but yeah, dubbing from English. You can dub into Dutch, French, German, Hindi, Indonesian, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Polish, Portuguese, Spanish. That is one of the biggest languages in the world. Happy with that. So yeah, that would be cool. We can automatically dub. So that we just change it into our settings. So there you go, turn off automatic dubbing for your channel. Uploads and art settings as I showed you there. And there you go. Okay, and you can manage automatic dubbing for a video. We can do it manually, but it's all good. You know, if we can do that, we can dub it, then that's got to be a benefit to us. And apparently, from what I'm told, from what I've seen, it looks like you could probably get 40% more views by auto dubbing your videos. So I'm going to be doing that now. So we'll test it, track it. I think YouTube also doing split tests on thumbnails and titles now as well. So YouTube's really bringing a lot to the party to help creators actually get more views on their videos. So stick around, guys, do the auto dubbing, let us know how you get on. And yeah, if you're recording in English and auto dubbing into Spanish, or if you're Spanish, maybe you're a Latina and you're doing it in Spanish, and then you can actually translate it, auto dub into English. That would be cool. All right, guys, whatever you're doing, have an amazing day. Stay tuned. We'll get more tips as and when they come.